Okay. Over at my mom and dad's house. It's Sunday, doing the usual Sunday dinner. Matt, what are you making? Maria, is that bitter melon?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like a soup.
Bitter melon soup with Rick. Also have
And then we're gonna shrimp with sweet sauce.
Tuc tray. Kong tuc tray.
Boil first before we mix.
Oh, why?
You make all the dust, you know.
To get all the blood and stuff,
yeah.
dirt and stuff off. This is my mom's beef jerky. It's really delicious. Spicy. I'll show you guys how to make that sometime. It's not hard. Yeah, Vu's coming. I'm trying to get Vic to come too. Maybe Nick. I didn't eat anything all day. All I had is one pack of mama noodle. Starving. Bitter melon is exactly what it sounds like. It's a really bitter melon, but it's really good for you, good for your blood. That is salted turnip.
Tuna.
Radish, no, that's radish.
Radish. Chai pao. Khmer how chai pao. When they not make dry, they call it mum chai thao. But when it get dry, they call mum chai pao.
Simmer for a little bit to extract the flavor and soften it up a little bit. Squid, fried squid, or cuttlefish.
Yeah. They just make, put in there, make the flavor. Umami bomb right there. I got a beef jerky going. Oh, that looks good. Ooh, that's hot. This beef jerky isn't dried like American beef jerky. Well, it is kind of dried like American beef jerky, but it's not dried all the way through. It's still got a little bit of, meaty texture to it. So basically, my mom salts it, MSG, soy sauce, hot peppers, some sugar, and then she just hangs the meat, or just lets it sit out and lets it dry out. We grill it, get that nice char. Now this is a perfect snack. Wait, we need some trok spicy here with bean sprout. And over here, we're making our dipping sauce for the shrimp. We got the garlic and a lot of Thai chili peppers, and that's frozen lime juice. Hold up. Fish sauce. Yeah.
So garlic, Thai chili pepper, lime juice, fish sauce, and sugar, right?
Yeah.
Sugar. But
Supposed to be chopped, but
you're supposed to chop it, but the ninja's just as good. Therefore, don't overcook your shrimp. That should just be done. Maybe 5-7 minutes for these shrimp like that. The head fat in there, oh, that's the best part. Ooh, wow, that's hot. Can you make some of the wasabi? You have stuff to make the wasabi?
yeah,
Maybe you have like wasabi sauce too. Oh, should put a little lime juice. First, I take some of this wasabi and put it in there, right in the head there, just a little bit, and
Suck. Mmm. Mmm. Woo! Now wasabi punches me right in the nose. Oh, now we have the other sauce. This is more like, you know, kind of reminds you of sushi. That's definitely more Cambodian. I really like the wasabi. I like to put a lot. Mm. Ooh, woo! Ah, whew. Did you add salt? Salt, pepper. So yeah, basic Cambodian soup ingredients: salt, black pepper, fish sauce, maybe a little MSG.
Strong it first.
Oh.
Don't get a smell.
Mm.
I'm okay, but you guys a little bit strong.
So we put it, we steam it, not steam it, we blanch it in a separate pot so it's not so bitter. When you blanch bitter vegetables like this, it gets rid of some of the bitterness.
Couple minutes.
Mm. So the secret when you make soup like this is, or anything really, is you gotta taste.
Water is nice.
Look how clear it is. That's what you want. Nice clear broth. Sorry for the fan noise. That's a fan on. Oh. Now you can hear the soup bubbling. Oh, there's Vu. Vu coming in clutch with the green onion and cilantro. Tululu. What's going on, Tu? You look a little rough this morning.
Just woke up.
Had one too many shot last night.
You still have a bitter melon. The leaf. I want the leaf, not the fruit.
Well, what do you do with?
The leaf? Okay.
Yeah.
What do you do with the leaf?
Cook.
You can make it like everything.
Oh, chop.
You want the
Well.
leaf, right?
Vegetables.
Look at that bite right there. This is Cambodian sushi. Fried up some garlic there.
Yes, garlic in here.
Chopped in here, right there. Green onion. That looks. You know, if you got a hangover,
Yes.
you got a hangover. That's perfect show right there too.
Don't
Yeah.
show my face
What?
right now.
Did you wake up like that?
Yes.
Bitter melon soup. We're gonna take a nice hunk of pork rib there.
Yeah.
Put right like that, right?
Yeah.
Two.
And right here.
No, wait. I will put a bitter melon there. Put one of these turnips like that.
Turn up.
Turn up. Speaking of turn up, we'll get to that in a minute. But you know, you gotta have some. Oh, right there. Two. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
How much should I like that?
Ooh. Oh my God, that's a
Here we
lot.
go.
That's gonna
Make
be
it. Ooh.
one heck of a
Oh yeah. Now that's a bite right there. First, I'd like to take a little sip of the soup. Oh man, if I were hungover, that'd be perfect.
You talking
Pro tip,
about
Darren.
me?
Yeah, too. I think this bite might be too big for my mouth. We have to do 2 bites. Real hot. Ooh, that's spicy. I feel the antioxidants coursing through my body.
stir fry pineapple.
Yeah.
It's big. You know how to eat it? Really?
I'm awake now, yeah.
Oh yeah, too.
Good.
Time to pull up a shot.
Give her $300. Is that enough?
The camera phone on the dinner.
I just put it there. There he is. What'd you get? What'd you catch, man? Let me see. Let's see.
Just chicken.
You didn't bring the. I thought you went fishing.
Yeah. Oh,
That's chicken. Chicken fish.
we're gonna make chicken, but we're gonna make it here.
Oh, what do you? Oh, nice chicken gizzard. Oh, excuse me. Hey, Pisad. All right, what are we doing here?
Gizzard.
Gizzard.
Ginger.
Oh, gizzard ginger.
Stir-fried gizzard.
Nick brought some gizzard and we're gonna stir fry with some ginger.
Oh, his wife and
Is that it?
sister
That's
Mark.
not gizzard.
No, Mark, no.
What is that? Oh, that is gizzard.
Your sister, right?
I love gizzard. That's probably my favorite part of the chicken, aside from the chicken wing. Nick, this is free range chicken gizzard, right? Ah, I think this is Nick's leftover bait.
Brandon,
Nah, yeah.
What do you put on in there? Garlic?
Not yet.
Not yet? Oh, just that's still the.
Make the meat first.
Oh, that's the meat. No salt, no grain, nothing. Just plain.
Later. Okay, I finish all.
She's gonna cook the meat first, and then she's cooking the ginger over there. Garlic.
I'm an expensive fish. Holy crap! I'm actually jealous.
That's what she make money from. Oyster sauce.
In the system. Oyster sauce.
It's fine if you lay down.
Oh, I love the smell of stir-fried ginger. What do you call it? Khmer?
Segment nhây.
Nhai? Nhai.
Ginger.
Nhai. The gizzard is what? Đó. Co. Mon. Bát đôn lông. Có.
Gizzard and heart. Chicken heart.
Có.
Gulf and backbone.
Bát đôn. Plum is lung.
No, suet is lung.
No, isn't plum?
Oh, I think
What's plum?
Lime, what do you call it? I don't know.
Is that lung? Oh wait.
Liver. Lemon liver.
She put that, that's our special seasoning. We put the chicken in it's basically like bouillon, chicken bouillon. Kind of like MSG substitute. Right, there's the finished product.
There's some chicken in there.
What? You don't like gizzard, Tom?
There's heart too.
Gizzard.
I cut some chicken in there.
Chicken.
There's some chicken bone in there, I think. Cha, co, mon, beh dong. What dong? Dong means coconut. Pick coconut. Right? Beh dong means pick coconut.
Wow, if we translate it, I guess.
What bedroom means?
Beh dong is a heart.
The word means
Beh is pick.
you go up there
You pick. Beh dong.
Sound like Cambodian, they just came and then
Beh
they said
means you
the woman,
You pick.
you take it out.
You pick. Yeah.
Yeah, pick apple.
Yeah.
Beh apple.
Yeah.
Beh dong means beh coconut.
My wife crossed the river.
Oh.
Yeah. Because the word for pregnancy is Trong
Just had a baby.
Trong Delay. Am I right? I'm right.
Maybe you translate like that, yeah.
I mean, literally, I'm just saying that's what the literal translation is. Now, what is it? Chupo Trong Delay. Right.
They were speeded.
Yeah.
Speeded, the police stopped there. They say, you have to hurry up, my wife.
Oh.
My wife make her stop the rule. You let him go.
All right, and then I think that's where I'm gonna end this video.
Because that time it's easy too.
Is that a good place to end the video? Our next fried gizzard? Not fried, stir-fried gizzard. All right, pull it up.
All right,